Meaning of D and C.
D and C.
D and C.
D and C.
D and C. D and C is a medical procedure called dilation and curettage. It involves dilating the cervix and scraping the uterine lining to remove tissue. The procedure is usually performed to diagnose or treat conditions like abnormal bleeding, miscarriage, or cervical cancer. The procedure is typically done under anesthesia and can be done in a hospital or outpatient setting. There may be some cramping and bleeding after the procedure, but patients are usually able to resume normal activities within a few days.